how to create printable wall art on Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create printable wall art using Canva for free. So let's get started. Canva is an amazing designing tool that allows us to edit videos, to create cards, resumes, logos, presentations, and more. So today I will be creating a printable art that we simply print and we can just use it to decorate our dorm, or we can simply go ahead and sell it on Etsy as a digital product. So it's a really good product that we can create on Canva, and it's really easy as well. The process is really fun and you can create any type of printable art for yourself or for your friends or to sell them online. So let's start with the process. What you have to do is you will simply open up canva.com. You can sign up for Canva's free plan or maybe for the paid plan as well. I will be using the free plan. So this tutorial is going to be for free and you can simply use all the elements that are going to be completely free. Now, to create a printable art on Canva, what I want you guys to do is simply go to templates, and then in trending, you will find Canva's prints. Okay, so simply click on Canva's prints. So when we click right here, it will allow us to check out all of these amazing printable art that is created on Canva. So first thing that we will do is we can actually get inspiration from all of these arts. And then you can simply go ahead and get started with a blank canvas from here. So this will actually give you the right measurement. Simply click on create a blank canvas and it will take you to your canvas right here on Canva. All right, so we have this one right here. This is going to be our wall art, and we will simply, save it as a PDF. Now you can see we're getting a lot of different templates as well, but we will not be using a template. I will show you how to create an art from the scratch. And we can actually create 2 pages, and then we can print 2 pages at the same time, and that will be like 2 posters. So that's what I will show you. I will create like a text related, and the other one is going to be very similar to this one. So let's start. The first thing that I want you guys to do is simply search on Google for color hunt, and it will open up this platform for you. It's completely free and it gives you these amazing color palettes that are trending and that are new. So this really helps us whenever we're working. So whenever I am working on Canva or I'm creating something, I kind of like check the color palette from here, and that's what you can do as well. And it gives us all of these amazing color palettes. So the first color palette that I am going with is going to be a little vibrant, and then the second one, I think I will go with this one because this one looks really good, you can see. So now for the first one, let's choose this one. This one looks pretty amazing. So what you can do is you can copy this color from here and then select, go to the color palette, and you can simply paste your name right here and it will open up the color for you. So this is our color. Now I actually did not want you to go for a whole page. So what I want you guys to do is I'm actually creating this art in which we will have lines in the background. So I will simply go to elements. Actually, let's change the color to white again. All right, so I'm gonna select a very simple element, and it is going to be this square right here. Now I will actually place it in here. There you go. Perfect. Now I will select another one. Similarly, I will go for 2 more. So you can see right here that I have selected these 4 squares. I will go to the color palette again, and now this time I'm going to go ahead and, copy this one. And we will actually do the same thing that we did earlier. Simply select the box, go to the color, and we already have this one. So I'm going to just select this one. Then copy this one, go back to Canva. Then I will simply select this color. Now this step is completely up to you, that if you already have a color palette in mind, then you don't need to go and do this, or kind of like get the color from color hunt. But I personally do that because this color palette is actually trending, and I think this will actually help me get the best palette very easily. It just takes like few seconds to do this. And there you go. Now we have our background. So this is my background for my wall art. The next thing that I want to do is now I can go for heading. But what we can do is you can simply scroll down and you will actually find all of these amazing fonts that are already created. So if you want to go with these, you can actually go ahead and select these. It really helps you kind of like automate your work, and you kind of like create a wall art very easily. And it has a lot of different options for us. So you can see right here, this font is kind of like standing out to me. So I will simply select this one and it will be added here. Now you will see this is not the text that I want. You can see it has two kind of text. So I don't want this one. I will delete this part. And then we have this part as well. Now we are left with this font here. Simply click and change the text, and now you can add whatever text you want to add to your wall art. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add the text which says dreams true. So that's what I'm gonna simply go ahead and write here. Now this is our text right here. What I need to do is I will simply go to line spacing, and you can see the line spacing is actually pretty small. So I will actually increase the line spacing between all of actually these, not just the two of them. All right. Okay, perfect. So I will simply place it right here in the middle. There you go. So this is our first wall art and it looks pretty good. Now again, you can add more text, you can add more elements to your wall art, but for me, I think this one, it looks pretty amazing. The second one that I will create is going to be really quickly, just to give you more idea how you can simply go ahead and create these wall art. Again, I will actually go to color palette quickly, and we're gonna just check out once more the palette that I was actually talking about, and I think it was this one, right? So I'm gonna actually get this color because this color really stands out to me. Okay, this color is perfect. So I will copy this color. All right. So I'm gonna copy this color from this palette. That's it. I'm not gonna get the whole palette. Simply select your background, go to your color, and now I will actually paste. I could have also got this color from the color palette, but again, it becomes really easy for you. And you can see Canva also has different palettes for you created. This is the color that I wanted, and now it looks perfect. Next thing that I'm going to do is I will go to elements, and you can see lines and shapes right here. So when we go to lines and shapes, you will be able to find all of these different shapes that we have. You can go with circles. You can go with a lot of other shapes that are here. Maybe I think it's available in frames. So you can see this shape, I wanted this shape and I will select it. Now, this is actually a background, but I will change the color for this one too. Maybe we can go with a darker color as well. Okay, this looks good, but we actually want the lighter color. So I'm going to go with this one. And I will just place it in the middle. There you go. I don't even have to create anything. If you go to stickers and if you go to printable art, you can see now I can add this woman right here, and she will be added right here. Similarly, I can actually not add this one, and I can add a lot of different templates that we have, stickers and other things. But what I wanted to do was I will simply go ahead and go to graphics and search for woman, like whatever you want to add. And you can see right here, this face actually looks pretty good. Now I will actually change the background color because the color of my right here graphic is white. Now I will actually make it a little bigger and I will place it in the middle right here. Now it looks perfect. Another thing that I can do is it looks really simple. So I can go to elements again, and now I can actually go ahead and add maybe flowers or something in the background to kind of like just help this one blend in more. Or you can simply go ahead and search for irregular shapes. I have searched for irregular shapes and this is what I got. And I just added two of them right here. And now our wall arts are completed. You can see they look so good. We have this one, which is a text one, a vibrant one, and then we have this one right here, and it looks very good. Once you're done with the wall art, all you have to do is simply click on this share option right here and then click on download. So you will find the option right here. You have to download it as a PDF print because this is best for printing and it is going to be a printable art. So make sure that you download it as a PDF print. Once it's done, simply click on download and your wall art will be downloaded in minutes, and you will be able to sell your wall art or maybe decorate your wall with the best wall art that you have created on Canva for free. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create printable wall art on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.